Very good morning to all of you, sir. Namaste. Warm welcome to one and all, and wish you happy New Year and prosperous New Year. Myself, Dr. O. Srikanth, coordinator of this FDP. Today, we are very fortunate to have Honorable Dr. K. Hemchandra Reddy Garu, Director, State Council of Higher Education, Andhra Pradesh State, accepted to be the chief guest of this inaugural session of 5-day Atal AICTE sponsored faculty development program on robotics in automation applications. It is from 4th to 8th January 2021. Thank you, sir, for your acceptance and being a part of this FDP. And also welcoming Sri DKRK Ravi Prasad Garu, Director, Danekula Institute of Engineering and Technology, Vijayawada, and retired Senior Deputy General Manager, Bharat Electronics Limited, Machilipatnam, Dr. K. Ravi Garu, our beloved principal of this institution, and all the head of the departments, faculty members from other departments, and all the resource persons, those who are accepted for this program with their busy schedule and from different, these are all from reputed organization and enthusiastic participants and student friends. Now, the program is going to start with prayer. Now, the inauguration speech by Honorable Dr. K. Hemchandra Reddy Garu, Director, AP State Council of Higher Education. Sir. Sir, we are waiting for your valuable speech, sir.
Thank you, Srikanth, for inviting me to this Atal Faculty Development Program sponsored by AICTE. At the outset, I congratulate the Danekula Institute of Engineering and Technology for coming out with this wonderful workshop on a very great the presence of the director of the institution, Dr. Ravi Prasad Garu, and the principal of the college, and all distinguished academicians who have assembled here. Very good morning to all of you.
Thank you, Srikanth and the Danekula Institute of Technology. Okay, so today I want to tell you why this particular course has been organized. So, what is the main purpose of this particular course? Just I will give you one brief introduction.
Truly speaking, a robot is any mechanical device for performing a task which might otherwise be done by a human.
And what are the, you can say, element you need to focus, and how you can say robot kinematics is different from general physics, and what you need to know, or you can say what you need to do for obtaining a dynamic model, why we are doing the dynamic model, all the, you can say, basic background I'm trying to address in this particular short, you can say.
Organic robots are made of metal. Humans can think and have a soul. Robots just do commands and obey to what humans say. How humans are, we are writing instructions to the robot. According to the instructions, robot play the automation. Humans cannot eat, robot just get oiled up. Humans cannot be programmed, robots are programmed with the help of tools like UiPath, Blue Prism, Automation Anywhere.
Dr. O. Srikanth Garu to give his message.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Srinivas Garu and Nagamalleswara Garu. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, audible, sir. Audible.
Okay, sir. Thank you for one and all those who are participated from the beginning to this end. At the beginning, I would like to thank the Atal Chairman, Atal Director, Dr. Ravindra Kumar Soni Garu, and Assistant Director, Dr. Giridhar Lal Garg Garu, for accepting our application and have given the permission to conduct a 5-day workshop, 5-day faculty development program, for national workshop for all the faculty members, those who are from various parts of India. So I would like to thank All India Council for Technical Education and Atal for sponsoring us for conducting this program. Then next to that, say our college management, Sri Ravindranath Tagore Garu, Honorable Chairman, Sri Danekula Bhavani Prasad Garu, Honorable Secretary and Correspondent, Sri D.K.R.K. Prasad Garu, Director, Danekula Institute of Engineering and Technology, and our beloved Principal Sir, Dr. K. Ravi Garu, and all the head of the departments, all the faculty from various departments.
I want to have opinion of the feedback from the audience. I request the audience one by one. You take 1 to 2 minutes. Gurpreet Kaur, please speak few words. Ms. Gurpreet.
Yes, sure, sir. Sure. So I'm Gurpreet Kaur, and as regarding the feedback on faculty development program on robotics in automation application, so it was a wonderful session in which I know every participant have learned a lot. All the resource persons involved in 5 days gave their 100%, sir, in delivering the lectures. So there, it was a very, very great experience.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. So it was a great exposure, and thank you to the Atal Academy and the college, all the stakeholders of the college as well as the course who have organized the course. Thank you so much, everyone, for organizing this for us. Thank you.
Please speak few words.
Very good afternoon, sir. It's a wonderful session, and all the participants are motivated from this session, sir. And this is a very helpful for this FDP. And thank you very much, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
So it was a very enlightening workshop. I really learned a lot in this, and it gave me an insight to a different field of mechanics also. Actually, I belong to the background of electronics. So it gave me an insight that what aspect of mechanical engineering is involved in robotics. So it was a great learning experience for me. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Good
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon,
Yes.
sir. This is Gogi, Vivekananda Gogi from RL College of Engineering, Bangalore. I felt enlightened to see all the lecturers and the experts committee and the.
Good afternoon. This side Meena Kohli, sir. Actually, this workshop, it was a great learning experience to me, sir. And the workshop is very well organized. And all the contents, they are very well covered, sir. And I am happy to have this opportunity to attend this workshop. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon to all of you. I'm very thankful Dhanuka Institute to organize such a wonderful FDP, and all the speakers deliver a lot of content, very informative content. I think all the participants learned a lot of things from you, and I hope all the participants using this knowledge for the personal development or society development. Thank you for organizing such a wonderful FDP, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes. Now I request, if all the participants have completed their feedback, I take the privilege of inviting our beloved principal, Dr. Kadiyala Ravi Garu, to speak few words. Thank you, sir.
So good afternoon all of this workshop. At whom I believe key stakeholders, and really, and I logged in few sessions, active in the learning process. So that interaction makes me understand that the session went well and participants were very active in learning. So thank you all once again from heart. And also I thank all the resource persons
and I wish all of you a great success. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Dr.
So,
it is my duty to convey the vote of thanks in this 5-day Atal sponsored faculty development program on robotics. First and foremost, I extend my sincere thanks to Honorable Chairman of All India Council for Technical Education, AICTE, Dr. Sahasra Budhe, New Delhi, for sponsoring this Atal FDP to our college. Thank you, sir. And it is my privilege to thank our Honorable Chairman, Dhanekula Institute of Engineering and Technology, Sri Ravindranath Tagore Garu, and our Honorable Secretary. I want to extend my sincere thanks to Sri Bhavani Prasad Garu, and I wish to thank our beloved Director, Sri D.K.R.K. Ravi Prasad Garu, retired Deputy General Manager, Bharat Electronics Limited, Machilipatnam, and always our Principal, Dr. Kadiyal Ravi Garu, is helping hand to our whole college and Mechanical Engineering Department in particular. I thank you, sir, for granting us what all we want and making the FDP a grand success. And the coordinator, I want to thank Dr. O. Srikant Garu, Head of Mechanical Engineering Department, for planning this, for selecting the resource persons excellently, because all the resource persons have done their duty wonderfully. They inspired all the participants, and the quality of teaching of all the professors who have participated in this faculty development program, definitely they will deliver better quality of teaching in their UG and PG courses in robotic course. Thank you, sir. And I thank sincerely our Andhra Pradesh, APSHE, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Dr. Hamchandra Reddy Garu, Chairman APSHE, for being present in the inaugural session. And I want to thank the speakers, Dr. V. Vasu Garu, Professor, NIT Warangal, Dr. P. Chandrasekhar Garu, Managing Director, Technic Design Group, Hyderabad, Dr. Shantakumar Mohan Garu, IIT Palakkad Professor, Dr. Janardhan Vistapalli, Professor, SRM University, Amravati, Andhra Pradesh, Dr. Ravi Kumar Mandava, Professor, NIT Bhopal, Dr. A. Srinivasulu, Professor, IT, Liberia, Blue Crest University. And I thank all the teaching faculty of our college, all the heads of the departments of our college for extending their cooperation in making this program a grand success, and for the participants